minutes away.
All right, Chris, we will see you then. Well, a warning for you this noon. If you get your car valeted at a hotel or a restaurant, you may never see it again. CBS Atlanta has learned some cars are being stolen from valet lots, and you might be surprised to learn how the thieves are actually doing it. Investigative reporter Jeff Cherico asks the tough questions. How can it happen?
It seems unbelievable to think a valet attendant would just give your keys to someone who didn't have a claim ticket. But it's happening here in Atlanta. Police say thieves are manipulating valet attendants into retrieving cars that aren't theirs. It's often our most prized possession. When we hand over the keys to our car, we expect the valet to keep it safe.
I don't expect nobody to say, we don't have your car.
But thieves are swiping cars in Atlanta. And get this, it's with the valet attendant's help.
Are you not checking claim checks?
It's a crime some don't want you to know about.
The manager asked me to not some mail right here.
But could cost you big.
Will you ever leave your keys with someone else?
Absolutely not.
Watch this man enter the Embassy Suites in downtown this past June. Police gave us these hotel surveillance camera images. They capture the man leaving with a towel around his neck. Minutes later, a valet attendant drives up in a BMW, lets the man get in and drive off. Police say the car wasn't even his.
Absolutely don't make any sense to me.
The same thing happened a week earlier to Dion and Anicia Stevenson of South Carolina.
We were innocent. We turned over our keys, our vehicle to you, and now it's gone.
Their dream car was stolen while they were staying at the Omni Hotel at CNN Center. Police say a valet attendant gave the Stevensons' Range Rover to a man who didn't have a claim check.
I thought it was a dream. Please let me wake up.
We headed to the Omni to ask the tough questions.
My name's Jeff. I'm with CBS Atlanta News.
Despite the police report in my hand, the manager refused to even acknowledge that a crime happened right here.
One of your valet guys gave the wrong keys to somebody here. Why doesn't that concern you?
No, sir, we have no information. We're just going to need you to leave the property.
There you go. There's my card.
Don't need it. Don't need it at all.
Why won't you need it, sir?
Yeah, we just need you to leave the property, sir.
I understand, but who's going to answer some questions for us?
This guy also wants to know how an attendant could give the wrong keys to someone. Namdi Naku's Range Rover disappeared while he was eating at 2 Urban Licks restaurant near Midtown.
Very well, he could have handed the keys to the wrong person or, handed the keys to someone he knows. You just don't know.
Police investigator James Barnett says he doesn't know how many cars have been swiped from valets in Atlanta, but he says the thieves target luxury vehicles, then manipulate and confuse the valet until he or she turns over the keys.
Asking questions, claiming they're the owner of the car when they're not, coming back a few minutes later, talking to different valets, getting the story confused, basically.
Dion and other victims say to add insult to injury, each valet's insurance company gave them a tough time paying up, leaving them fighting for their luxury wheels that may have rolled off the lot with the help of a trusted valet. If you know anything about these crimes, Crime Stoppers wants to hear from you. You can call them at 404-577-TIPS. The valet company for those hotels tell us the attendants no longer work for the company. We've posted responses from the hotels and valet companies on our website. You can read them at cbsatlanta.com. Just look for the headline to the story and click on it right there on the front page. Jeff Cherico, CBS Atlanta News.
Fire